New at 5, nearly 3 million adults in Florida live with some sort of mental health condition. That's according to this year's Mental Health in America report. Some of those adults don't get help because they don't have loved ones supporting them and making sure they stay on track.
But there is a way that you can step in, even if you're a complete stranger, to someone in a crisis. WESH 2's Christina Watkins tells us about the Guardian Advocate program and the difference you can make.
Getting a better understanding what the diagnosis schizophrenia with psychosis is. That was number one.
Stephanie Anglin spent the last several years looking for answers to help her son, who was diagnosed with a mental illness when he was 18.
It's God, will I ever see him the way he was before? I don't know, because only God has that answer.
Now in his 30s, Anglin said she had to do something to support him.
Within the course of a year, my son has been Baker acted over 6 times.
Especially during the times he's in a crisis and can't support himself. That's how she ended up here.
Feel free to share anything that you would like. We are going to touch on some sensitive topics.
At the Guardian Advocate training with the Mental Health Association of Central Florida, Sierra Ross is the program manager.
So a Guardian Advocate is not someone's guardian. They're not making serious life decisions on behalf of someone. They're essentially a surrogate decision maker while someone is in a mental health treatment facility.
Life-saving, I don't think, underestimates what it is.
Marnie Stallman, the president and CEO, says this program makes sure adults who are Baker acted get fair and proper treatment.
If they do have a need to be hospitalized, we also have a need for somebody to help them with what's called informed consent. And without having that, it's hard for the treatment facilities to really provide the care and treatment that's necessary.
Just in December, Stallman said they received more than 40 calls from different facilities requesting an advocate for a patient. And as those numbers continue to go up, she said there was a desperate need for volunteers.
They don't have to be individuals that have past behavioral health experience. We're just looking for caring, compassionate, concerned individuals that have a few hours to give to make a difference in someone's life.
Anglin is now one of those volunteers.
I just completed my interview with that same class, and I am now officially a Guardian Advocate.
Whether it's for her son or someone else's adult child, she's looking forward to helping people and hopes others will consider doing the same.
In their crisis, they have a voice, someone, that's there in their corner advocating for them when they can't advocate or make sound decisions for themselves.
In Orlando, Christina Watkins, WESH 2 News.
The next training to become a Guardian Advocate is set for Monday and Tuesday from 9 until 11 a.m. both days. You have to complete both sessions. If you want to learn more or have any questions before signing up, head right now to WESH.com.